My name is Venom.
Most people know me as the fit guy and all that, but there's a lot of things that I can do. I can make a lot of animal songs. I can change my accent. I can do stand-up comedian. There's a lot more. I can imitate your walk, imitate your talk. Anything you do, I can do. So in this video, I'm just gonna demonstrate a few things for you. First off, I'm gonna start with the animal sounds. Okay, so here we go. Don't be fooled. Cats call your names at night, especially if your name is Harold. You be inside and you hearing this outside.